how to make a cube with this Cubebot. Really easy. But first we need to take a closer look. We have this big part, 3 cutouts. We have this other part, 2 cutouts. If we flip the robot, we have also 3 cutouts here and 2 cutouts. And this part, like you can see, can rotate. Now how to make the cube. I'm going to start with the arm and bring back the arm on this part. You can use the other side that come the same, that does not matter. Alors, I'm going to have the cutout and cutout, cutout and cutout. Okay. Now we just bring back the arm. After I rotate, cutout is here, and I put back down this part. No, this needs to be, let's see, I'm going to make up. Let's see, we have cutout and cutout, up, and I rotate. As to make like a L shape. And now I bring back this little part here. Donc, we have the cutout here, like you can see. I like the part, and I'm going to rotate this part. I'm going to do exactly the same with this other arm. Cutout, cutout, here. Just rotate. See, cutout is here. I rotate down this part, and now I make exactly the same. We have cutout, cutout, up, up. Alors, this isn't the way I'm going to put on the side. We have like the L shape, and now we bring back this part here. And like you can see, we have cutout, cutout. Donc I just bring back the part, bring back the other part. Now I'm going to bring back the head. Like you see, we have a cutout and cutout. One and one more time. When it's done, we flip and we're going to work on the other side. Alors, this will be the orientations of the leg. Cutout and cutout. And I'm going to bring back the leg on this side. Up and down. Now this part needs to go here. Alors, let's see. Just go up, down. Just rotate this little part, and this little part needs to be placed here. Donc this, I don't know if you can see it. We have a cutout, cutout. Donc we just try to bring back the part. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's a little difficult, but that should work. Oh, maybe, let's see if I do this way. Oh, it's really hard for some reason. Oh, I need to fight with it. Okay, now I can turn. Whew. That leg is done. Now I need to do the same with the other leg. Okay, cutout, cutout. Go down. No, that's the same. I'm gonna move this little out of the way. Alors, we have the cutout here. Just turn. And now I bring back this little part here. And like you can see, I have cutouts here. Now, hope it will be a little easier, this one. Oh, it's hard. That's okay, it's done. Whew. We have our cube, interface of the robot. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.